Today we are going to draw something super exciting. Yeah, that's right. We are going to draw the pudding. First, I am going to draw a cherry. I love pudding. They are so sweet and tasty. Now I am going to draw two lines. Join them together. Now I am gonna draw another line. Let's make the topping. I love puddings. Which flavor is your favorite? Now I'm gonna draw the other line. We are almost done. Let's color it. Which color should I pick first? I am thinking about red. Oh look, the red is so pretty. Which color should I pick next? Pink. Oh, it is looking very tasty. Do you like it? Please draw with me. Coloring is my favorite part. I am having so much fun. Please draw with me. Now I am gonna choose the yellow color. Oh no, silly me. It's a blue. Be careful not to draw outside the lines. What about the next color? I am thinking of yellow. Yellow is my favorite color. Wow, it is looking so yummy. Do you like it? Lastly, I'm gonna pick the pink color. It's a dark pink. Oh, we are almost done. I had so much fun.